In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the page unresponsive error on Google Chrome. This error usually pops up when a website takes too long to respond, or your browser is struggling with too many tasks at once. You might see a message saying that a page has stopped responding, with options to wait or exit the page. That can be pretty frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of something important. So in this video, we're going to walk through a series of practical things you can try to get Chrome running smoothly again. First, when the page unresponsive message appears, don't immediately panic. Start by choosing the wait option once, especially if you know the site is heavy or your internet connection is a bit slow. Sometimes the page just needs a little more time to load. If, after a short while, nothing changes and the page is still frozen, go ahead and click on the option to exit the page so it doesn't keep hanging in the background. Once you've closed the unresponsive page, look at how many other tabs you have open. Having lots of tabs running at the same time can easily overload Chrome, particularly on devices with limited memory. Close any tabs you don't actively need. It's a good habit to keep only the essentials open so Chrome has more room to work with. Next, check your extensions. Some browser extensions can cause conflicts or use too many resources, which then leads to pages freezing. Click on the menu in Chrome, go to the Extensions area, and temporarily turn off anything you don't absolutely need. After disabling them, restart Chrome and try loading the same page again to see if it responds properly. If it does, you can turn extensions back on one by one later and identify which one was causing the issue. It's also a good idea to clear your browsing data. Over time, cached files and cookies can build up and interfere with how pages load. Open Chrome Settings, find the option for clearing browsing data, and remove cached images and files, along with cookies, for at least the last few weeks. Then close and reopen Chrome before testing the problem page again. Finally, make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome. Outdated versions can have bugs or performance problems that are already fixed in newer releases. Go into Chrome's settings, look for the section that shows the browser version, and let it check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart the browser. By patiently working through these actions, you'll usually be able to get rid of the page unresponsive error and enjoy a smoother browsing experience in Google Chrome.